sometimes I have no, as a matter of fact, I have a family member who actually call for to say, Bianca for broken and make me give me a money to go to children. The last time I asked somebody, they said them just use all what they have by book, textbook. They have them business and they not touch them business. Basically, when they did in my shoes, I would understand. But that just makes me stronger.
Yeah.
That don't make me weak. You see this house? From 2015, it's easy. Right? It was applied one room. My mother give it to me. Every time I piss her off, every time she tell me something to do, I not do, she tell me say, if I come out. Or if you get 100,000.
Okay, that's the only way
she walk. But you notice our bone is not straight like ours, our bone is shaped like a C. In our leg it's the same thing.
So they stay like exactly in the same arms, in both arms?
Yes, in both arms, that's how it stay in both arms. In the leg, that's the same way. If it show in the leg, them try to do a surgeon. I said to pin in the knee cup.
There ain't no gold in this river that I can bring myself to swing when I am drowning in this silence, baby. Let me go easy on me, baby.
Peace.
I'm still a child, didn't get the chance to feel the love around me.
You know?
Chance attack, you know? I let them know, you see me?
Yeah.
Let me tell you, it's a few people, let me see it. Everybody, not just me.
Yeah.
Still wonder if we are gonna make it if the white are trying to fake with them might. But John left my side against my right and try to take me life. No time for fight, my rather teach the right. No guns on night. Fear slave black child and a fool them on the side. So glad they make me wise and keep protect my life. I want them recognize. And that's why most I protect I stay away from reptiles.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A Kino, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Blessings to all, blessings to all. You know, outside of Trenchtown today, we're up Red Hills Road. You know, there's a viewer, she's been watching the program for quite a while now. She's been asking for assistance to her daughter who's got some form of disability to her leg. Because she just want to get her to go to school or some online classes, you know, but she's been having a problem trying to do so. So we're here now outside of Trenchtown, you know, trying to assist and see what we can get done. So don't forget to like and don't forget to share and don't forget to subscribe. Remember always to subscribe, always put that thumbs up. So now we're outside of Trenchtown, you know. So now we're outside of Trenchtown, we're gonna see what we can get done or what we can do together as a dream team and team. Amanda, alright then, what kind of realize me? Amanda's a bit shy. First, I'm not really going to camera, right? Camera type. And this is your daughter, right?
Yeah.
Bianca. Alright, are you shy too? Yeah? I think Bianca is shy, so I'm glad to highlight the viewers and the donors that what brought my attention. So now I'm in Red Hills, right?
Red Hills.
I'm in Red Hills Road, so Dream Team is outside of Trenchtown, as you can see, you know, by the journey coming up here. And I'm here with got Amanda and we got Bianca, right? So Amanda been watching how long have you been watching the program?
From the start.
From the start. So it was a long time here. You watch that as well, Bianca? Yeah? All the time? Sometimes. Sometimes. So who's your favorite? Because I know you must have a favorite, you know.
Me?
Jenna. You just say we have Jenna here.
Yeah.
So we have come here, so we have Jenna here, we have Mother Teresa. Here for Esther then. Esther, come Esther.
Esther, come.
So we have Esther here as well too. We have Esther, come on, so Esther. No, but she handsome and say no, she I carry on a fire. Then I say a fire thing for the chicken, that is Esther. So yeah, so now you explain, you know, what you've been telling me over the phone so we can
she was born at Claxton. She was born and her bone was break from inside my belly. When the bone break, when she born at Claxton hospital, they send me to Mobile. Mobile don't know nothing about her sickness, so they send me to children. So all the children alone know about her sickness. So she been going to children from the day she born to now. She have osteogenesis imperfecta. Short name for it, everybody could have known that brittle bone or sharp bone. Our bones them don't develop properly. She get a lot of breakage, both hand and foot sometimes in a cast. She do a surgery on both her legs them. Both her legs them here and stuff for them try to put a pin to the bone to try to keep it so it don't break that easily. So one or two shorter than that. So what them do is every time it breaks, they try to cast it up, put the cast around her waist and let all her private part out so she can get the whole her properly. Right? So she been living with me until she was 4, then she go and live with her grandmother that's retired nurse. So she kinda know a little bit about her. So she lived with her grandmother, but her grandmother is not feeling that well now, so I have her here. trying to get a school for her. I try a lot of school and everyone says that they cannot manage her because of the type of sickness that she has. From them here about Pt.473, no school over. I go to ministry, I go to Arnold Road and special ed, I go there, they take the information, whatsoever, and send them to give me a call. I call a lot of school nearby and none of them don't want to take her. So what is really the problem is I really need a school for her. Right? No matter the situation, I really need a school for her that she can go to school, get education just like everybody else. I call the rest of disability schools, they're saying that there's nothing wrong with her brain. So that means that if she go to school and when the kids have problems with her brain, that means that she will fall back and they don't want her to fall back. So we need to try to get a school where she can still go with other kids and that have the education. So that's really the problem at this time.
How old is she now?
She's 11. So she have 11 years worth of breakage. Put her hand breaking for 11 years.
When she 12?
When she 12? August.
Okay.
She not reach. She supposed to go into grade 6 at September. She's in grade 5 now. They're supposed to put her. No, she don't have any wheelchair. But she have a walker, but the brake and the walker is not working properly and some parts of the walker cannot work.
Okay.
So I just...
So she don't literally have anything to help her move around there?
No. She tried to hold on the chairs or everything that is in here to walk around, to go to the bathroom and to go on her bed, to try her best to go up and stuff like that. But as in me coward, so when I don't want to walk too far because when me used to it all these years, it just, have it to say, she go break again. It just, sometimes I'm in bed asleep and I wonder, me hear one something drop and I say, what if I she that? Because I saw me live with it, so I just start reading.
So is that a long-term, lifetime?
Well, it's something like cancer. It's the stages. Like how cancer that is from 1 to 4, PR1 I think from 1 to 8 or to 10. I think she's there 5. Yeah, she's at 5. When I look into her eye, you see the little blue, the blueness in her eye shows the disability. And her teeth them is not developed like ours.
Okay.
It's kind of darkish, gray, like it's not white. So it's kind of, so that's what makes it normal.
So basically you just want to get her to do something from schooling where she can.
Yeah, just kind of some schooling and just to see if she can get some things that will help her, and see if anybody know about the sickness, we can tell me how to manage it or get some help to me or something.
So I would like to know if anyone out there has any form of experience, or if you know anyone that have any form of experience. Do you call it roughly? Breakable.
Or osteogenesis imperfecta.
Yeah. Anyone out there with experience of it can at least contact me so we can at least get some information and manage to speak, right?
Yeah.
So one of the main things I just want to get with some form of online class.
Yes, if I even online class, that time we should do the test or anything we try to work with, so she can just go and come back. Just want to have a little information. So, what I would like her to do is just walk, that she can see how she walks.
So normally the help her to get it.
Normally she gets what you are seeing, like that. So she will fall on and she will walk little.
Maybe that's the
Yeah, that's the only way she will walk. But you know, her bone is not straight like ours, her bone is shaped like a C. In her leg it's the same thing.
So they stay like exactly the same arms, both arms?
Yes, in both arms, that's how it stays in both arms. In the leg, that's the same way. if it show in the leg, then try to do a surgery and then the pin in the knee cuff and
Yeah.
sort of know what is worse.
And take a time and do that. So, I know she will love it. So, is there any possibility for she to do online classes? That's that. Okay. But should there be a problem for transportation?
Yeah, depends on where the school.
From here to the technical primary. Yes, 700 primary. There's going to be a problem with transportation if you're not doing the online class because you don't drive, right?
No.
And from here to Springfield, how much miles a year? About how many miles that? Yeah, which are about 10 miles from here. And she cannot travel alone and bus or taxi.
I would have to get something from right here, so wherever I go.
So she needs the school so bad, you know, but that will help her.
Yeah, that's good.
Huh? Okay. Okay. So, well, we're putting the word out there, you know, if anyone watching, you know, anyone can do something about the situation where we can get Amanda, you know, get her through some form of schooling, is it a homeschooling, online classes, if everyone out there can give the time to give online teaching to, because she definitely really need it, because she's 11 now, so basically she has to get no proper schooling, so it's eventually years at school, right?
But she was going to go private school where she is going to learn English and go back and forth with her children. Or because there she was there one time and she fall off the speaker, but she always feel like she was like an hour and she fall off the speaker and break her home and she again stay home again and a couple minutes well. So you know that the heal properly before so that was so she was back and forth. So right at this moment she was going to school down there in but the teacher was giving her grade 4. So showing that she was actually backward back and forth with her children, so she was in grade 4, not grade 5 or 6 when she was in school. So and that's really added to that.
So the private school where she was going to be far from you?
Yes. Midnight.
Or she was boarding?
No, she was boarding. Her grandfather had to drive and bring her to school to pick her up. But they have step now. So she can't really manage to go up the step. So that is the next project. Is to go up the step. But the school is high.
Hi. So suppose someone helped her with the school fee.
If someone helps us in school, then she should have to go back and make it in the school. If she can do it online, she should have stayed here, do it online and then she pay school fee. No problem.
So I'm with that today, but you can actually find out there, you know, however, if you want to do that, you know, that's the best option now. And if you don't want her to go back to Jamaica, because you know, as a mother, you probably want her to be around.
Here, so
At the moment, there must be some form of health support where you can get that.
So like to do the work and then they send it back to you. Yeah, that's okay.
So, you know, you have to be the teacher So you have to give her the own teaching.
Yeah, I've been giving her the home teaching. What about?
So you can get her some worksheet then you can use for the time being to when anything else comes up, because by Tuesday we're gonna see what we can get from the school and if we can do the online classes.
Okay.
If anyone wants to watch the video and see if we can get any farmer help out there to get her into class, because we'll definitely need her to do some farmer schooling. It will help, and it seems like it helps you as well, because I can see the tension. I can see the tension in her, the tension is there. Also before you don't want to cry, I can see it in your eyes. They've been going through this for a long while, as you can understand.
Try to do our best to make sure that the grandmother was saying that she's not a handicap for her teaching. She's not desperate, and the stepmother is saying that she's desperate. But it's not about the desperate, it's about the schooling, and it's about the help that you need to know more about sickness. You can't just have it and say there's no cure for it, or nothing cannot be done. I feel and I believe that things something can get done. We try our best, we give our ensure, we give our milk, we give our everything possible we can. But it's still great. So excess is something else is here. You know, when you can't slow it down a little.
After there's something there, just for me to put it out there, and like you say, you just want to try and see if you get information how to deal with it. Because you deal with this in the first hand of experience with whatever they tell you.
Yeah, we have to work with whatsoever they tell you. So we want to hear from someone else where know a little about our sickness and check.
And that's the fighting spirit of the mother, right? She's not giving up. And we're definitely going to try our best and see what we can get done. But something definitely can get done, so we're going to speak it into being. We want something to get done. Because this little angel here, she's smiling. She's smiling, trying to take some pressure off money. Sure, because see the tension. We're going to try our best. And thank you for reaching out to me, and thank you for being watching the program from then to now. So you've been holding your patience from the start to now, to feel like this is the time where I can actually ask.
Yeah, well, I cannot take it anymore. I just feel that sometimes I get up in the morning to the truth. Sometimes I give up. When I look and see the back and forth of children. Sometimes the morning and then I have to go. Sometimes I have no. A matter of fact, they have a family member who actually called one to say, Pt.473 broken and make me give me a money to go to children. The last time I asked somebody, they said just use all what they have by book, textbook. They have their business and they not touch their business. Basically, when they did in my shoes, I would understand. But that just makes me stronger.
Yeah.
That will make me weak. You see this one? From 2015, it's not easy. Right? It was applied one rule. My mother give it to me. Every time I piss her off, every time she tell me something to do what I not do, she tell me say, if I come out. Or if you get 100,000. And she said that the cut up inside. My mother have the big daughter. She abused her. Everything. And we go down this wall to get the things to collect her, just to talk to her. I said, Mommy, try your best. She said, we can talk to Brittany different. Not everybody go through them struggles. Every picnic have issues. And she tell me to come out. That before the 5 o'clock. She put me out and told me to come out her house, me and my daughter. That was in Westmoreland. And I said to her, I said, Mommy, it's okay. And I take up my bag, take up my daughter, and we walk back to the and I said, no, so I got the police station. I got the police station. And I said, other days you will always have music with me, get a lot of police complaint about me. And they carry me up the same time to war. And when we go there, And the police then say, officer, the mother said, very, and she was like, me and the mother, anything you say? I said, well, if you can't live with it, do without it. And that is like how she was saying. So I said, the police officer, I just want her birth certificate, whatsoever belongs to her, and they bring her back to town. Because my mother do throw everything out the door in before in the early morning, outside in the Jew water. But she made the police them said, if me had the law and I right in front of me, I do that. Can you imagine what you do behind my back? And how should that behave? The police them have to say to her, you know, so we can lock you up same time. Right here, so for child abuse. And the police them said to her, so little girl, go and take up the clothes there, put them in the jeep back with 4 garbage bag of clothes. Just because mother hold on her the suitcase. Because she said the suitcase is for her. But she hold on it. And the policeman them give me somewhere to bathe me and my daughter and put car drive me, go put me on bus and come a place. There is nothing easy in life if somebody don't tell their story. So, me is a prideful, strong man. I just ask somebody to help me with my daughter was sick. The rest of them we have a friend call and son of you, them is okay because they can go to school. But she know education is the key. And although she in this state, we just want her to get her education.
Well, your journey really touched me. You know, them always saying you see people who don't know what they've been through. You know, and it will touch a lot of people seeing me. You know, so you still have the fight.
Yeah, still a fight.
Still a fight seeing me. You know, and that's quite an example of a mother. You know, God, the mother been through it, and you only can say, but you know the pain, you know. You only can say it, because you have Mother Teresa cry. You know, Mother Teresa come all the way from down there and probably see her cry. It's touching. And you still a fight, see me, and Amanda.
It's a wall on, see me. Not give up. It's just a wall on. You know, nothing to do with the fight.
You know, Father God hear cries, you know, we hear it. That really touched me. So you know, from away we can try to get the help. I get the help for your princess. You know, my sister, that is the main problem right now. You want to get her the education.
Yeah, just like that.
Alright, princess. So that is really anything. You never know. No, you believe in your prayers because you've been doing so. So you live here with how much kids? Just 2?
No, one gone to school. The big one in the kitchen, Brittany.
Yeah.
And he is my neighbor.
Okay.
He's over here.
Oh, wow. Oh, it's Brittany?
Yeah, this is Brittany.
Come here, Brittany. Your sister, you have a sister, so she's the bigger one?
She is the first one.
First one.
She's the second one.
So and she was the one who was in the country, was talking about. So, Brittany, so how old are you now?
15.
15. Oh, are you, tell me say you sing? Okay. So that means you have to go sing through them, man.
Come to me.
I'm going to sing for you. Oh, this is your neighbor, so, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You see it there. So she have talent.
Yeah. She can sing, but she's running our family.
You can drive too. Alright then. So she's ambitious already.
Yeah, man. She's talented. I just stuff what she's been through. You know. You have to just understand. So she have to put it aside. You know, it's a guy in your mind, but just put it aside. Go forward.
You see, you're doing the music, you know. Music speak a lot, you know. Everything we are singing about that come from inside is what you've been through. So the music will be your experience, your past. So
I don't know if I call upon you now to sing it, you might get shy. You know? I don't want to save it to the next time.
Maybe next time.
Maybe next time. Alright then, so.
Seriously?
You know?
No man. If I want to sit in the camera, you can turn side and see.
Yeah. But then again, remember, you know, if you're a singer, you know,
Yeah,
I'm supposed to want to book you for a show now. I will if a camera light, I got this and you see me on phone light. But I'm going to hear you sing.
Alright. There ain't no gold in this river that I can bring myself to swim when I am drowning in this silence, baby. Let me go easy on me, baby.
Peace.
I'm still a child, didn't get the chance to feel the world around me. I didn't get to choose what I chose to do. So go easy on me.
Jeez. You make mommy cry. You make mommy crying. Yo, if look here, if you can see the goosebumps them from my hand, it's no joke, and you see it brought tears to your mommy eye. That is very, very touching. And she can sing. She can sing. Yes. Mm-hmm. See that vibe, say they're gonna take you far, you know, really, really far. And yeah, I tell you, it's opportunity and make something for my way for you and your family. Because your mom, you've been going through it, you have a story to be told as well too, you know, because you experience it already at a young age. You know, and with what you're singing is a lot of pain, you can say you have a lot of pain inside.
When I came to come out, she said, look good, just for the mother. I said, no.
Oh, she come on, say she go look work.
Sometimes, I see, you can't back out of the story. 2 years ago, I was pregnant. And sometimes I stressed it because at that time my foot did break. I mean, I have to send money to Westmoreland. They were making to give her plus she would just come up from a Westmoreland and try to get her in a Pembroke high school and she get in. She start act up, you know, when you go through things and stuff like that. Because she was the person down there when she did with her grandmother. She cleaned the husband, she feed the fowl them, she tie out the goat, and right in front of me my mother give her how much she get? $3,000? $2,000 right in front of me. And she take it back. Right, you understand what I say? So I come to talk to you, about your own grandkids. And the only thing I can do is when I talk to you, and because I say something when I like, grab back the money out of the little girl. And remember, she work feet, she have to get up before the early in the morning because she have school to go. So she have to do all of that before she can go to school. And you see she go hard working, and you give her $2,000 right in front of me and take it back. But look at that as wicked and heartless. And my mother, but we can't say it. Me just feel say it is wicked and heartless. Because not knowing say your own grandkid, child, will help you out. And you can take back the money from her. It don't make no sense. So at them something they know, she give up. She wonder if I own her, if I really her grandmother do her that.
Yeah.
But that just help her stronger.
Yeah.
And when we're pregnant, she said to me, say, Mommy, I'll look work and help you. And I said to her, I said, no, Brittany, you don't need to go look no work. Because you're underage. Anybody
So what age
higher, she about 14, no, 13. She want to look work. I said to her, I said, no, Brittany, you're underage. It don't make no sense. You go work. Because the person will hire you can get locked up. Because they're not even going to know how much to pay you at that time. And you just say, take anything because you just say you want help mommy. So if you get a $2,000 or $1,000, you just say, make me run, can I come give mommy. And she vex. And she run, go down the road. I walk up and down with her, with my big belly. I look for her, me and some neighbors. And I wonder where she there. But she want to help me and stuff like that. She go away and she vex and she start crying and walk up and down. I tell her, say, when I find her, only thing I can do, I just sit down and cry. Just sit down and cry. I rough her and I say, so what do we get out of that? And think, but, you know, me don't know where she got through. And she still bring the grief in her heart.
She still
me and her person, still bring it, and I'm my mother. So, I've been through it and she been through fear. If me tell my story, sometimes people look at me and say, oh, she's so strong. But some things have to let you can't really talk too much. Because if me start talking, you can't leave your truth.
Yeah.
Somebody said to me, so we can write a book about this life. So I try my best to just hold it. Breathe easy and just go.
Yeah. I'm just wanting to just go on with it. Go on with it and hopefully, Father God will make something, something will definitely happen. In a way we can. Father God will touch somebody's heart, And so I have a donation from a donor, right? Give it to 3 kids who would need lunch money. That's what they said on the list. And we have 3 right here, so. Right. And with your daughter, with the singing, and with your tribulation, that's what she's been going through already. And your neighbor, right? And you have your daughter.
Help him with maths, help him with schoolwork. His mother kind of say more than a handful. But I don't get no boy kids, so I love boy kids. That's what I get now. So, him can't stay live with me. Yeah. As small as it is, I try my best for it. But there I say, him not have no tablet. Him have sometimes he never go to school for a good while. He have no tablet. And mother start work now. So hopefully he have no uniform neither. He go ready to school. So he have no uniform neither. So hopefully his mother say by weekend or so, tomorrow, you can get the uniform things and you can start school Monday.
Alright then.
So whenever you have online, you can really do not online class.
That's a non-tablet.
That is that really.
And what's your name?
Tremaine.
Oh, Tremaine. Oh, Tremaine. So, his name Tremaine as well. And he's a hero. He's the hero from Trenchtown. He's our living hero right now. So, as I mentioned,
Save my life.
yeah, the donor, they said must bless 3 children, with their lunch money. And I got 3,000 each here. I got 3,000 each. So, I got 3 that I'm looking at. 3 future. You're smiling. So this is for you, Amanda. Or Bianca, sorry, for Bianca. That's $3,000 for you for lunch. So you can count it. So the person is one known by Anonymous. So you can say thank you, Anonymous.
Thank you.
Okay, so that's Anonymous from the UK. And we have the future, Beyonce, you know, that voice. No, but I mean, call her Beyonce, no, it's not Brittany. That voice, I saw Beyonce, so, you know, Beyonce, right?
Yeah.
You listen to her a lot?
Yes, I listen to our song when she sing with brown skin girl.
See, I tell you.
Can you
Yes.
sing it? Let me hear it.
Yeah, when she said brown skin girl, your skin just like pearl, the best thing in the world. I'm not change it for anybody else.
Dansky, sure, see me, I'll tell you. This is our lunch money for you for Anonymous, $3,000.
Thank you, Anonymous.
Yeah, yeah. And I encourage you to continue sing, you know. Continue sing, because you never know, I might get in the studio.
Yeah.
You know, you're 15 still, so we want to still have the education part still going. So, you know, schooling as well too, that'll be a part of that too, you know. So we're going to see what we can get done for this family, you know, because it's a family of need. And neighbor, because, you know, Amanda always wants a son, serious son to Amanda.
Thank you, Anonymous.
So you can count it, says $3,000. Yeah, man. So Tremaine, say thank you. So we give thanks to Anonymous. $9,000, and I say I must give it to 3 kids that will need lunch money, you know, from the UK. So blessings and give thanks. Amanda and Bianca, you know, nothing but love. Now we're gonna hope for the best, right? Yeah, that's a family though. She has so much love in her, you know. She's got so much love in her. So much family, you know. Family that's pray together, you know, stay together. You can see. So, you know, we're gonna keep up and see what can get done, right? So until next time. Okay, my friend. Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you. You're a singer, my artist, Beyonce. You know what's that Beyonce?
Nice meeting you.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you.
There we go.
Mommy,
Oh,
nice meeting you.
nice to meet you. Yeah.
Just keep up on praise.
Alright, nice to meet you. Yeah. Keep strong. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Alright, artists, for you see me have to shake your hand again, not once, we have to do it twice. Because the worship said, continue singing, right?
Yes.
Don't stop. The rain in Redlands. Rain in red. L0. Redlands Road. One team. Green team. So dream team has stretched them legs.
Yeah, that is a must, you understand? Explore. Come up with new things and we're gonna try to help where we can. You understand?
Get it out there, right, Jenna?
Yeah, brother. Straight out there. We're gone right now.
You have to spread the blessings, you know. Yeah.
This person, you got all of the like that. Look, you see how watch me.
You see, so Mother Teresa, yeah, watch you.
Right. They're far from which want to come from.
Yeah.
So there's some blessing to some more other people. Yeah, man. Father God, if your Father God do to it, more blessing on top of blessing.
Yeah.
All I'm doing at them, just one stay, so more blessing for now. Father God, keeping us straight and safe. One team.
Yeah.
What the Upper St. Andrew?
Yes, Upper St. Andrew.
Yeah.
Up hillside. Alright then, so we have the future bad artist.
One chance.
And we have the future singer right here as well too. Why she sing a while and the whole place mash up that, you know. Yeah.
One chance.
She's bad. So you that one chance, you know, one life. See that from my hand, one life, one chance.
I'm a name, you know.
Yeah.
People think a lot, but I'm a name.
Cause she tell me say you're an artist too, you know. You tell me say you're not the same. She know what go on. So you gotta make the viewer them know what go on, then put it out there in the universe. You know, we keep it clean.
I like the vibes, man, you know.
See it there? Alright then. One chance. You know, we have give the chance right now to make it known outside in the world. You know?
One chance attack, you know. And let them know, you see me?
Yeah.
Let me tell you, it's a few people, them see it. Everybody, not just me.
Yeah.
Still wonder if we are gonna make it if the white are trying to fake with them might. But Jana left my side against my right and try to take me life. No time for fight, my rather teach the right. No guns on night. For a slave black child and a fool them understand. So glad they make me wise and keep protect my life. I want them recognize. And that's why most I protect I stay away from reptiles. Eyes make me see one's a fake and not real to me. And that's why most I protect I. When I see I don't try infect I. Born to be free. The politicians are real, them not real to me. Too much rocky roads, no one drop on the ground. Them lucky now, we lose too much so. Oh, my country's so cold, I'm still in the snow. Don't trust waste people show us. Them only pretend them know, when them only real for the moment. Still fighting spite, we must grow strength. Really have to make mommy proud, yes. Close the border, free we owness. Time more life for man progress. Become a know best, and that's why most I protect I. Stay away from reptiles, eyes make me see. One's a fake and not real to me. And that's why most I protect I. When I see I don't try infect I. Born to be free. The politicians are real, them are real to me. Yeah, man.
Sure, one chance, you know. One chance, I tell you that song there. One song you sing and one song there sound bad. Yeah, you know, in a record yet?
No.
I know say me have to go link up with that brass record.
Yeah,
that song there. Yeah. So you see that song there? Me have to go link up with that brass record.
Yeah,
because them need to record that, you know. A recording studio in Seaview Garden, like it's just something like proper, you know.
Yeah, I appreciate that, man.
We definitely have to get that song in the record and go out there. A brass record, and we have a singer here, she bad too, you know.
Yeah,
come stand up right, it's a two talent we have right here, so, you know.
I'm looking for you know.
Yeah. So, like how we have him just do one, you do 2, 3 already, you know, we do many.
But you want one more?
Yeah. Of course, I want to do one more, but I want. Yeah. And so like Nation Boss, like, you know.
Nation Boss, I want chance, man.
I want chance. So you don't get no chance to record no song as it?
Yeah, man, not really, cause you don't know, me just have make up my mind to take up the music kind of positive way and a sensitive way. I never meant to do it, cause 10 years me a barber, you don't know the meaning.
Okay.
10 years of my life me a barber.
Yeah,
you don't know. So I focus on my work, my business, and there's only own 2 business before, 2 shop. You don't know.
Yeah.
You know.
But you see,
fight and struggling and everything.
Yeah. It's the Jamaican way, right?
Yeah.
The fight and the struggle.
We're there, man. We don't know.
You seems young though, like you're how much in your early 20s, right?
Just guess, man. You can't guess too, you know.
You can't guess.
Eh? No, man. Guess again. No, sir.
No, you're 20s, man.
No, I'm 28.
You're 28, man. Young youth, man. Young future, man. See the music part, me I tell you, man. Side, the positive side, we have to get you out there.
Yeah, man. I have no song, man. I don't know. I just still write every day or day and night.
I know the viewers them have a scream right now. Say, make him do one more song, please. You know, so we're going to leave them off with one more.
Yeah.
You know, we have to keep the link. You know, we have the link already. You know, so we have to keep it up.
I try to carry up your videos.
Yeah. I see the tell you know. You have to get used to it.
Yeah,
life, you know.
Don't know. A part of life, man.
I want to say talent out there, man. So we're going to let them off with one more positive, nice and clean for the positive people. Them. You know, big up to all the donors, they must support this program. Now we got here another talent, you know, in Jamaica. One chance, you know. I love that name, the bad as an artist name, One Chance, you know, so you know, once you get that chance.
You know, say my last name.
Your last name?
Yeah. chance of last day.
Chance to see it there. And your mother know the reason why, your father know the reason why, isn't it? A chance.
I don't want to use a bad language go fast, but you don't know. We're there.
Alright then. One chance. They don't know where to leave them off one more time. They don't want.
Alright, ready. My people listening all and every nation, black situations, our revolution, tired to see black human execute wrong. Tell you one a little bit of pain we feel too long. We are the motivator, jealous cause we greater, brave man strong and now we the girl them cheer for. Envy man like a band of theater, with me hands and just tell them later. But we have to rise up through the criticize, hurt me inside when them do to George fly. Now I go lose my life from man's a white guy. Time for show them what's really black pride, black power. If we stand together stronger to prove that black matters. My people have love for each other. One love, one blood. Me tell you black power for real, yeah. Stronger to me, giving no reasons and no seasons for white demons to fight black citizens. Less opportunities and all we ask for is peace. Why break and build me? I'm no properties. No one, no disease, COVID, no work with safety.
Sure. yeah, listen. But one chance. You know, yeah, keep it that way. They see me, you know, one chance. You know, the people get familiar with that name there. Get to go out there in the world. One we see me here. Fire it up, see me here. Alright. Over there you're in readiness. Yeah. So more you tell them which platform them can find it on, you know. Any platform where them can.
Yeah, one chance. I don't know, one chance music, one chance in advance, you see me?
For Instagram.
Yeah, Instagram, IG, one chance music, you know the vibe.
Facebook.
Yeah, Facebook, you don't know. Just find me on Instagram, people. Instagram, you will find me.
Okay, so yeah. So that's what the thing they know for now. IG.
Yeah, IG.
One find him, one chance.
Yeah, one chance music. One chance underscore music.
Alright, so. Okay.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.